This is a example for exercise 3. Write the complete ISO Y-cut program for the diagram below. The cutting program is using counterclockwise direction. Okay, the key point is a counterclockwise direction. Okay, first we need to identify this is diagram for punch or die. Okay, so as we can see here, the starting point is here inside the diagram. So if the starting point is inside the diagram, means this diagram is for die. Okay, so this is for die. Okay. Now the starting point is 0, 0 here. So we draw a line for axis X and axis Y. Okay. This is for Y and this is for X. Okay, for this 0, 0. Number 2, we need to identify the coordinate for each point. Okay, this is 0, 0 for first point. So second point here is X 5 Y 0. Okay, I change the color. Okay, X5 Y 0. And then the question need us to make a program using counterclockwise direction. So counterclockwise direction here. So first point, second point, so this is our third point. Okay, counterclockwise direction. Okay, so the coordinate for third point is X5 Y 15. Okay, because of dimension here 15. And then coordinate here is X 40. Okay, no, negative 40. Y is 15. Why negative 40? Because the dimension from this point to this point is 45, but don't forget to deduct this distance 5, because our starting point 0, 0 is here. So from here to here is 45, but from here to this point is 40. Okay, not 45, so minus 40. Okay, and then the next point is here. Okay, 60 minus 5. Okay, minus 55. Y 0. Okay, and then this one is minus 55. Y is 40 minus 15. Okay, 25. 25 minus 15. So minus 10. Okay, let's check. 40 minus 15, 25, okay, and then minus 15, minus 10. Okay, this is minus 10, and then dimension here is 60 minus 5, 55, and then minus 15, 40. Okay, minus 40, y is 40 minus 15, okay, minus 25. Okay, and then this point x5, y minus 25. Okay, and then center for this radius. Okay, center for this radius is, this is not using absolute. Okay, this one is using incremental. So now our 0, 0 is here. Okay, our 0, 0 is here. Okay, see our 0, 0 for the radius for this, the center for this radius. Okay, 0, 0 is here, and then the coordinate here is x 15, y 0. Okay, so again I repeat one more time. To find the coordinate for this center radius is using incremental. So our 0, 0 now here, so the coordinate here is x 15 because of this radius 15, and then y 0. Okay, so we check one more time. Okay, 5, 0, 5, 15. Okay, minus 40, 5, y 15. Okay, minus 55, 0, minus 55. Okay, minus 10, and then minus 40, minus 35. Okay, x5, y minus 25. Okay, so the center of this radius is using this 0, 0. So x 15, y 0. Okay. Once we finish to find the coordinate, we can start to make a program for this diagram of die. Okay, start with number of program, or for number you can put any number. Okay, and then origin G92 x0 y0. Okay, origin here, and then wire move from starting point to this second point using linear interpolation G01 x5 y0. Okay, and then from this point, second point to third point, okay, we need to offset the wire. Okay, to offset the wire to the area that we want to remove. So this is cutting method for die. We want to remove the inside area, so we move the wire to the inside area, inside of the diagram. Okay, inside area is here. Okay, so if I look the direction of wire from here, from second point here. Okay, the wire from this point to this point. Okay, we offset the wire to the area that we want to remove here, this is become our left side. Okay, this is our left side. So we will use G41. Okay, G41. Okay, so G41 to offset the wire to the left side. Okay, now we can continue with our program. Linear interpolation G01, okay, X5 Y15 here, okay, and then from here to from this point to this point is G01 X minus 40 Y15. From this point to this point, okay, still using linear interpolation G01 X minus 55 Y0. Okay, from this point to this point, G01 X minus 55 Y minus 10. Okay. So from this point to this point, we will use the wire will move using counterclockwise direction. Okay, counterclockwise direction. G03. Okay, G03 for circular interpolation counterclockwise. Okay, circular interpolation counterclockwise. Okay, X minus 40 Y minus 25. Okay, and then don't forget we need to put the center of this radius, which is we use I. Okay, I for X, okay, I15, J for Y, J0. Okay. I repeat one more time. I15, I actually for represent for X, and then J is represent for Y, 0. Okay, and then we continue with linear interpolation from this point to this point. G01 X5 Y minus 25. Okay, at this point we need to conditional stop. Okay, to put the magnet to avoid the workpiece fall down. So we use a M01. Okay, and then we using linear interpolation G01 X5 Y0. Okay, and then we send the wire back to the origin G01 X0 Y0. Okay, don't forget to cancel the offset G40. Okay, and then we close the program with M30. Okay. Why we need to offset the wire? Okay, back to the origin, because we already offset the wire using G41. Okay, then before we close the program, we need to offset the wire back to the origin using G40. Okay.